What Stoicism says about the need for great leaders in America. In a time when many are questioning the state of leadership in America, the teachings of Stoicism offer valuable insights into what makes a truly great leader. Rooted in the philosophy of ancient thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, Stoicism emphasizes virtues like wisdom, self-control, and justice, qualities essential for effective leadership. Stoicism doesn't just provide philosophical wisdom. It offers practical guidance for the challenges leaders face today. Here's what Stoicism says about the need for great leaders in America. 1. Virtue as the foundation of leadership. At the heart of Stoicism is the belief that virtue is the highest good, and it is through virtuous living that one finds peace and purpose. In the context of leadership, Stoicism teaches that a great leader must prioritize wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance above all else. A leader who acts with these virtues will make decisions not based on self-interest or external approval, but on what is truly right for the people they lead. In America, where leaders often face the temptation to cater to popular opinion or political gain, Stoicism reminds us that true leadership is rooted in moral integrity. A great Stoic leader would always act in the service of the common good, even when it is unpopular or difficult. 2. Emotional resilience and self-control. One of the most important qualities of a Stoic leader is emotional resilience. Stoics believe in the power of self-control, particularly in moments of stress, adversity, or conflict. A great leader must be able to maintain composure in the face of challenges, not letting anger, fear, or frustration dictate their actions. In the current political climate, where leaders are often under intense pressure and scrutiny, the ability to stay calm, think rationally, and make decisions free of emotional bias is more crucial than ever. A Stoic leader would focus on what they can control, how they respond to situations, rather than reacting impulsively to external events. 3. Justice and fairness for all in Stoic thought. Justice is one of the four cardinal virtues, and a great leader must strive to be just in all their actions. This means making decisions that benefit the collective good and treat all individuals with fairness, respect, and dignity. For America, a country founded on the principles of equality and justice, a Stoic leader would ensure that their actions reflect these core values. Stoicism teaches that a leader should not be swayed by personal biases or desires for power, but should work for a society where everyone can live according to nature, free from oppression. In practical terms, this would involve addressing systemic inequalities, ensuring fairness in the legal system, and prioritizing the welfare of the most vulnerable. 4. Leading by example. Stoicism stresses the importance of leading by example, not through words alone. A Stoic leader doesn't simply tell others how to behave, they embody the values they wish to instill in their followers. By demonstrating virtues such as humility, discipline, and integrity, a leader can inspire others to act with similar qualities. In America, where there is often a disconnect between leaders' actions and their rhetoric, a Stoic leader would ensure that their behavior aligns with the values they promote. They would be transparent, humble, and accountable, showing that leadership is not about power or prestige, but about serving others and setting a positive example for the nation. 5. Preparedness and acceptance of challenges. Stoics believe that life is full of challenges and setbacks, and great leaders must be prepared to face them with courage and fortitude. Instead of fearing adversity, a Stoic leader welcomes it as an opportunity for growth. In America, where political, social, and economic challenges are a constant, a Stoic leader would approach these issues with a mindset focused on solutions rather than complaints. A Stoic leader's approach would involve recognizing what is within their control and letting go of what is not. They would work tirelessly to address the issues they can influence, while maintaining equanimity in the face of obstacles that cannot be immediately solved. 6. The importance of self-reflection and growth. A key element of Stoic philosophy is the practice of regular self-reflection. Stoic leaders are constantly evaluating their actions, decisions, and motivations, seeking to improve and grow. This type of introspection helps prevent hubris and ensures that a leader remains grounded and humble, aware of their limitations, and striving for continuous improvement. In the fast-paced political world of America, where public opinion can be easily swayed, a Stoic leader would not be overly concerned with short-term praise or criticism. Instead, they would focus on long-term integrity, regularly reflecting on their role and how they can better serve the people they lead. 7. Acceptance of mortality and legacy. Stoics are deeply aware of the fleeting nature of life. The recognition of mortality motivates them to live with purpose and to focus on leaving a meaningful legacy. A Stoic leader would be driven not by the desire for fame or power, but by the desire to leave a lasting, positive impact on the society. For America, this means that a great Stoic leader would prioritize policies that benefit future generations, acting with the long-term health of the nation in mind rather than seeking short-term victories. They would understand that their leadership is not about personal glory, but about contributing to the greater good for the sake of the country's future.